If you're seeing the Slack dispatch underscore failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to troubleshoot it and get Slack working again. This error usually points to a connection issue, a network problem, or something in your browser that's stopping Slack from sending or loading properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without any advanced technical steps. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. First, let's check your internet speed. Open your browser and search for a speed test. Run the test and make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is very slow or dropping out, that can absolutely trigger the dispatch underscore failed error in Slack. If the connection looks weak, try waiting a moment and testing again, or move to a stronger network. Next, switch your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try using a hotspot. If you're on a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. Sometimes the issue is not Slack itself, but the network you're using. A different connection can instantly resolve the problem, especially if your current network is blocking certain requests or having routing issues. After switching networks, go back to Slack and refresh the page. A simple refresh can clear temporary loading issues and force Slack to reconnect properly. If the error was caused by a small session glitch, this step may fix it right away. If you still see the issue, the next thing to do is disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Slack's ability to communicate correctly, and that can lead to dispatch underscore failed errors. Turn them off temporarily, then reload Slack and check whether the problem is gone. If that doesn't solve it, clear your browser cache. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. Clear the cached files and cookies if needed, then restart the browser and try Slack again. Old or corrupted browser data can easily cause loading and dispatch problems like this. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the issue immediately. Start with the internet check, then switch networks, refresh the page, disable VPN or proxy, and finally clear your cache if needed. That order gives you the best chance of solving the problem quickly without wasting time, and that's how you fix the Slack dispatch underscore failed error. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple software fixes, productivity tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.